So we're walking into the entrance of Fish Creek by our house. Crazy. It's like right up the sidewalk. Video the sign, but once we stop. Wow. I jog there every morning. It's in water.
That's a little bit too close. Oh, it's not right up to there yet. But it's like...
Video the sign.
Yeah, I'll go home and wake up my children and...
This area is closed due to public hazards associated with recent flooding.
Wow. Right up. So they're okay down there. The backyards.
Oh yeah. Like we're right below the 7-Eleven.
Wow. It's crazy.
The house is right over there. And it's not quite up there yet.
Wow. June, what's the date today? 22nd? Hey, you're videoing.
Oh.
June 22nd, 2013. This is the flood right by our house.
I'm gonna eat him.
You're going to stay for yourself there, Kyle?
Hi.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat him.
Let's get the two of us together. Okay.
Hi.
So, hey, here we are. Fish Creek Park. Sucks. Too close to our house. Right at our entrance of our park. And our house is just down there, so we're okay. Thank God. We're told the power's on. We're making our way to the house to see. Burn out.